Hi guys, it's Rumi the math person, and today I'll be going over this problem. So pause the video quick and try this problem yourself. Okay, assuming you already attempted it, let's just dive right in. So they give you events E, F, and G in a sample space S. Assume that E is 0.55, F is this, G is this. The E and F, not the intersection, but the union of E and F. So if this is E and this is F, the whole thing is 0.9. And same thing for G, 0.7, F, no, and I find the following probabilities. Okay. So now the first one we're looking for is if this is E, F, and G, so let's label it E, F, and G. If it's not E and not F, so that means not E will be outside. And since this is asking for not the intersection, but the union, we can actually just count this whole E and not E and F. So let's say F is black. F is this, right? So we're looking for all the probabilities except this part right here. Agreed? So except this black part. Super dark black part. So this is the probability that we don't need. Alrighty. So how do we do that? So I think you guys are probably aware of the formula. Probability, let me write it out for you. So probability of E intersection G is equal to, or I would start with F. E and F is equal to probability of E plus probability of F minus the union. And this is kind of transverse because, or this is again F. Because I can add it to this side. I can add this sign on this side and I can add this to this side. So you might see the formula written both ways. But then the idea basically is if this is E and this is G, you count the intersection twice, so you take that part out to find out the union or vice versa, or the intersection. Okay, so using this formula, I can actually say the intersection of E and G, or E and F, is equal to, so probability of E is 0.55, probability of F is 0.75 minus the E and F, which is 0.9, agreed? And this is the intersection of E and F, right? So this is equal to, let me type it into my calculator real quick. So 0.55 plus 0.75 minus 0.9 is equal to 0.4. So in order to find problem E, right? So that's not E and F. It's this whole thing minus the black part. And what is the black part? The black part is E, which is 0.55, right? But black part is just probability of E minus the intersection of E and F. So that's equal to 0.55 minus 0.4. So this comes out to 0.15, agreed? And then we just have to subtract that area from the whole thing. And the whole thing has to add up to, all probability has to add up to 1. So if we do that, if we know that, we can just take it 1 minus the probability of black part, which we know is 0.15, which is equal to 0.85. So let's see, for A it is 0.85, check. Good to go. And then the next question we're looking for, let me actually restart the graph. We're looking for, if this is E, F, and G again, we're looking for the intersection, right? Intersection, which is different, of not F. So this is not F, is right here, right? Not F. And G. And then G is right here. We're looking for the intersection. So we want to find where these two, black and purple, happen, which just happens to be this area right here. Notice something? Yeah, I know you guys do. You guys are all smarticle pants. You guys notice that this is just the probability of G, right? Minus the probability of E and G. I mean, this is F. I'm stupid. F and G. Yes. So if that's what this second part is, question 2. Alright, we know how to find E and G. We can just use the same formula that we used for number 1. So E and G, or F and G, is equal to probability of F plus probability of G minus the probability of E and G. F, I don't know why this should be F and G, right? So probability of F is 0.75. Probability of G is 0.45 minus probability of F and G, which is 0.85. So that's equal to 0.35. Alright, so we can just plug this information down to this right here. So probability G is 0.45 minus E and G, which is 0.35. So probability of 2, which is not F and G, is equal to 0.1. Let's check it out. Good stuff, good stuff. Alright, third problem. If this is E and G, then E and G is just this area right here, agreed? Well, hey, that's so easy. We already practiced this so many times, right? We can just use our formula that we've been using the whole time. Probability E and G is equal to probability of E plus probability of G minus probability of E and G, or E union G. Alright, so that's equal to E is equal to 0.55, G is equal to 0.45 minus the union 0.7, so that's equal to 0.3. Alright, so that's equal to 0.3. Let's check it out. Alright, that's it. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to send it to my email at rumithemathperson@gmail.com, or you can leave them down below. Thanks. I hope you make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye.